Hi, good morning, my dear student. Yes, in our previous class, we have discussed continuity and differentiability. So, differentiability already you know that suppose f is a real function or a subset of real number, and let c be the domain of the function. Then there exists a limit extends to c f of x, or you can consider a plus h minus f of a, f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. So this is the required. On this base, now we are going to lot of formulas, differentiation of all trigonometric functions, differentiation of constant functions, differentiation of some other functions, inverse trigonometry, everyone we have studied, and also inverse trigonometry, and along with chain rule, along with quotient rule, along with the product rule. So these are the, we are going to discuss some problems on this one. Let us discuss each problems, how there are. Let us discuss one by one. So here differentiate the function with respect to x. So in this function we are going to consider, so first one I am going to take solution y is equal to, so five functions are there. First I can consider this one, sine x square plus 5, right? So in this one differentiate with respect to, they have only given with respect to x. So here dy by dx applied, differentiation of dx sine x square plus 5 into differentiation x square plus 5 dx. Why I am using chain rule, right? Using the chain rule, dy by dx keep constant. So differentiation of sine cos x square plus 5, differentiation of x square 2x plus 0, differentiation of constant. So therefore dy by dx 2x cos x square plus 5, hence required for the first one. So this is the very easiest problem to solve. 1 marks question they are asking, 2 marks question there will be so many times they are asking. So keep observe. So I will go to define for the second one. What is the second one? Y is equal to cos of sine x. Shall I do that directly? Here keep observe how to take the values. Differentiate with respect to x. So here dy by dx, differentiation of cos minus sine x into differentiation of sine x cos x, hence required equation dy by dx minus cos x sine of sine x. This is the 1 marks question, very simple question will be there. So this one, third one, lot of times they are asking question, y is equal to sine ax plus b. So here differentiation with respect to x, right? Differentiation with respect to, so here you can take dy by dx. So here differentiation, this term first, trigonometry function sine ax plus b, and chain rule, differentiation of dx ax plus b. Clear how I am going to split up these values? So in this one cos ax plus b. So here keep observe a with variable only, and this one is 0. So then directly I can write a. So therefore dy by dx is equal to a cos ax plus b, right? Third, most of the time they are asking this question, and fourth one is also like that. So y is equal to sec tan root x. So many functions are there. So differentiation with respect to x, dy by dx, first differentiation of dx sec tan x tan root x, differentiation of tan root x, differentiation of root x, chain rule. So here first differentiation of sec theta, differentiation of tan theta, differentiation of root x, the each individually differentiation by the expressions of the, so we are going to calling for the chain rule. So this one dy by dx, what is the value? sec x tan x, sec tan root x, tan of tan root x. Why I can consider what is the differentiation of sec? Sec x tan x. Tan x differentiation secant square root x. What is the root x? 1 by 2 root x. Hence required equation. This is the simplification. Don't multiply. These are the individually separate. They are not common values. So keep observe. So last one. So here fifth one, y is equal to cos of root x. Differentiation with respect to x, right? Differentiation of cos dy by dx. So minus sine root x, differentiation of root x, 2 root x, hence required equation. So look at each and every one. They are compulsory 1 marks, 1 question will be in this part. So another few problems are there. I'm going to discuss with you. Here any doubts are there, our WhatsApp number, YouTube channel. So whatever your given suggestion, doubts, you can send to me. Thank you so much. I'll continue the next another, it means another few problems are there on the differentiation. Thank you so much. Bye.